Ni hao, bonjour, annyeonghaseyo, namaste. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. I am thrilled to have you here. This is not just a channel, but a journey. A journey that is not just about seeking answers, but about asking right questions. It's about delving into the mysteries of existence and uncovering the hidden truth that lies beyond the realm of the senses. It is a journey of self discovery, of peeling away the layers of illusion to reveal the essence of our true nature. Spirituality is as simple as breathing. You just don't need to take any extra effort to understand it, but you only need to open your mind, listen to your soul, and see how your body reacts. Remember, true essence of spirituality lies not in destination, but in the journey itself. So I invite you to join me on this adventure of soul. Let's walk together in the light of truth, wisdom, and awaken the beauty of our own divine essence. Together, we can create a world filled with love, compassion, spiritual abundance. So, are you ready to embark on this journey with me? Thank you so much for listening me. Love you all. This is Grace from the Sacred Wisdom channel.